Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix OpenRouter login issues, API key errors step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your OpenRouter device is powered on and connected to the internet. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the default IP address for your OpenRouter. Press enter to access the login page. Enter your username and password in the respective fields. If you are using the default credentials, refer to the router's manual for the correct details. Click the Login button. If you encounter an API key error at this stage, note the error message displayed. Check to ensure that the API key provided is correct and matches the one configured in the router settings. If the API key appears to be incorrect, navigate to the settings page within the router interface. Locate the API settings section, usually found under Advanced Settings. Generate a new API key if necessary. Copy the new API key accurately. Return to the login page and paste the new API key into the appropriate field. Attempt to log in again. If you still face issues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Close and reopen your browser. Try logging in one more time with the updated API key. If the problem persists, consider resetting your OpenRouter to factory settings. Before resetting, ensure you back up any important configurations. To reset, find the Reset button on your device, typically located on the back or bottom. Press and hold the Reset button for about 10 seconds. Once reset, repeat the initial setup process, including API key configuration. Finally, check the manufacturer's website or forums for additional troubleshooting tips if problems remain. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.